Behold, this is the elevator here at the Engineering and Aviation Science Complex here in University of Maryland Eastern Shore in Princess Anne, Maryland. It's gonna be our reshoot today after all. It's an Otis Gen2. Look how tall this cab is. Very tall. Here we go. Let's go to, roof is locked, so we'll go to 3. And it closes on me instantly. The door closes again. 2. Otis Gen 2. We got 3. Now we go down to 1. Let's get our cab view. This is the biggest cab I ever seen. I don't even know why it's so big. But here's your certificate, emergency phone button, capacity is 3,500 pounds. Still love your Otis Fixtures though. Button went out. Let's take this up for another ride. Now I can see why this door closes slowly. 2. Maybe. Now let's go back down to 1. See? Told you this one has a rear door right behind me, yeah? 2. He stopped.
Present for someone who worried about their problem. Yeah.
I was
In your next visit.
Yeah, I was reading in the paper that she wants to meet with the community and
Yeah, if I was
and I
doing
wanted to make an appointment so
Sure.
that I can meet
Yes.
with her. As soon as I get my cards and we put this together and I
Go
can
ask for a 5 minutes meeting with her. She'll be so happy.
Yeah, that's what we're
She needs all the help. She need it. She need it.
Don't mean.